Local news for Thursday, the 27th of August. Dogs and cats are allegedly being shot with a slug gun in the Solway area. Pets from Millard Ave, South Road and Harley Street have been seriously hurt, and in one case, an animal had to be euthanised due to the extent of their injuries. If you have any questions or concerns other than talking to your vet, please contact local police. Green MP Julianne Genter will be in the region this weekend. Saturday, arriving by train, she'll visit the Featherston Market and attend a public meeting in Greytown between 2 and 4 p.m. Smile New Zealand Dental Days are being held next month on the 16th and 17th in Masterton and Carterton. While the free dental care comes with some restrictions, the key thing is the service is free. You'll need to be over 18 and hold a community services card. For more information and bookings, 0800 373376. And in football this weekend, Wairarapa United men will play Western Suburbs and the women take on Waterside Karori. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.